Hey everybody, so today we're going to learn about how to take notes in third grade high ability. Okay, this is how we're going to start out taking notes. Okay, this might evolve, but we're going to start with this. Okay, you're going to need 4 different things, alright? You're going to need number 1, a pencil, number 2, an index card, number 3, some post-it notes, and number 4 is a baggie, like a sandwich size baggie. If you're in class, we have those in closet number 1. If you are at home, you might want to check the kitchen. That'd be a great place to go find one of those. Okay. So I'm going to want you to go pause this video right now. Nope, this side. Go pause the video. Go get those things and come back. All right, so if you press the play button, that means that you have all 4 items and you're ready to go. So what you're going to do first is you're going to look at our assignment, see what we're researching about. So our very first unit, we're going to research about inventions and technology. That's going to be our very first unit, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my index card, and before I even get started, I'm going to look at the book I'm looking at, or I'm going to look at the website I'm looking at, the article, and I'm going to say, what questions do I have about this topic? So maybe I have a question of, maybe I'm researching about the light bulb. The light bulb's a really cool invention, right? So maybe I want to know who invented the light bulb. Okay, so on the front of my index card, I'm going to write who invented the light bulb. I wrote on there who invented the light bulb. This is one question I have about this topic, okay? So next I'm going to come up with 5 questions, okay? Another question example could be, why did the light bulb get invented? Okay, another one could be why. Why did the light bulb get invented? All right, I want you to pause this video. Go come up with 3 more questions. Go. All right, thanks for coming back. So you came up with some questions about your topic after looking at the title of your article. You came up with some things to do. So you have 5 index cards with 5 different questions on them. Okay, what you're going to do next is you're going to get out your sticky notes. Okay, you're going to go read the article, and when you find out the answer to one of your questions, you're going to write it on the sticky note. So as I have my article pulled up, I'm reading. I see that Thomas Edison invented the light bulb. I'm going to write that on my sticky note. Thomas Edison invented the light bulb. I'm going to peel that off. It's going to go directly onto my index card. Bam, answered that question. Okay? Now, so that's the first one. Okay? So now I'm going to continue reading and I'm going to figure out why the light bulb was invented. So maybe the light bulb was invented because people needed an easier way to get light into their house. Okay? People need an easier way to get light inside. So I'm going to peel off my Post-it note. I'm going to stick it on my index card. Okay? I'm reading, and I figure out, oh, people needed to work for longer than the sun was out. People needed to work longer than what the sun was out. So, because if they didn't have sunlight, they didn't have any light, they couldn't see what they were doing, right? So they had to have a light bulb to figure out how long it was. Okay, I'm going to stick it on the other side of my index card with me. And look, as you come across more facts, you should have like 4 or 5 facts on each index card. Okay? We're going to go with 5. 5 facts on each index card. Okay? 5 facts for every index card. Okay, so what you're going to do now, so that's the research portion of what we're doing, okay? And then when you're done, or like you're done with your time for the day, this goes into your baggie, which you need to, take like a Sharpie and write technology or light bulbs or whatever your topic is about, okay? So this is how we take notes. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. If you are online, if you are in person, make sure you raise your hand and ask a question, okay? This is how we take notes. We're going to practice here in a minute.